Oh, it's just down there.
What? I got a rap for you. He's a toot in a hood in a motherfucking hood. He's a hood. He's a fuck. Oh, he's a hood, but he ain't messing with. I'm just Tyler. But great, Tyler did. You want to know my rap? Hey, should I tell my rap? Should I sing my rap? Yeah, you can tell me your rap. You want? Hey, have you sung my rap? Okay. You want to sing along with me? What are those lights? Not. I see those lights.
Grab that coat.
We got colder shit.
I flashy light. Okay. You can tell me where I go. What's it? Wait, that flashing light? Everywhere we go. Okay, I will tell you my rap. What do you want to know?
About 5 hours. I'm kind of getting used to it.
Okay.
Cream on the outside.
It goes a little something like this. Nice pants, would you like to dance? Hey, dance for me, okay? Nice pants, would you like to dance? Cause you just might not get another chance. So tell your friend, see you later. Cause she ain't nothing but a hater. What's the deal? Why's she ill? Just cause she looks like a seal. It ain't your fault. So why is she tripping? Why is that long always tripping? Oh, hurry up and hide the chicken. I can't say the rest because it's inappropriate. I can't say it. It's really not.
Rappy girl, look at that. Look at A-Dub. Look at A-Wall. Roll with it.
Hey, Ashley, let's do our sneaky shit there. Hey, Woody. Woody.
Hey. Hold on.
Woodpecker. Woody. Woody in the woodpecker. Woody, what? Here, I got one. I'm about ready for bed. Hey, clean on the inside.
John Wall.
Like a Super Bowl. Oh, that is nice. Got a lot Stop pretending over there, okay, boy?
You going now with that vodka and them titties?
And
Baby ball? Baby ball and A-Wall. A-Wall, do the John Wall.
Ass.
And titties. And big booty bitches.
How about a little bit of this map, you what?
Show me what you got, girl. She just whooped her own ass.
Oh my gosh, you smacked yourself in the forehead.
She got black eyed church.
I'm not gonna hurt my forehead.
Try again.
You know what? Don't make us do what we have
Did you
to
not
do.
find this
I
is?
got a little beer belly.
What do you got planned for us? Pop a titty out. Y'all show some titties now.
Greg.
Let
Greg.
me give y'all a little show.
damn.
Here we go. 1, 2, 3.
Y'all both got big titties. Yeah, you date 50% of us.
I date Jack 100%. That's a great movie.
What the hell? All right then, baby ball.
Yes.
Oh, Jess. Hey, boy.
Yeah.
Have you been searched lately?
For me, get her off.
Oh,
Yeah, let me finish it.
yes, let's search you.
Yeah.
Hey, look at this.
Help me up.
Keep going. Get caught.
Hey, I'm not searching.
Take one step forward, seriously.
No, look, dude. Look, it's perfect. Look. Help me up.
Won't you back that out? Go on now, baby ball.